sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Ka World Tuberculosis Day dekan mo yaka deka yung krekam ka District Tuberculosis Control West Jaiñtia District Juai hakaya lango depan man ha District Library mentong Juai nin kasngi hajrong kapang yes we can end TB commit invest deliver hewa ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ka DV Lengdo adaman ko kam ka kongsan. Hawa yay kalam ka divi lang do da banjor ko yay kam wo chem smat yay ini kjut wo ipan sngaut ho kamon u yakun percha ya ka tibi nei bha wa man ko kjut wo ye u yai wo sumar kamjo. Hawa kalam yagi khanna da kan tu go wo man ki basendong yay chai ikhia wo penne yay khoj jingar de wo kanmo ya ka thong wo i angnot ka mandrit yongki. Dekan tu gale ya ki imlang sa lang ki wakre hai chai ikhia waki wi ki thau pure waki yung kre kam wo pen snga tho ya ki wi hajrong ga kjut tibi ka Dr. NSC Teriang MOTC Juai TU Panalir da ongo wo kam wo smart upendo ya ka kjut tibi wai han la bo thong ga India wo pendo ya kjut tibi hau arja ar pausan dang chibun gi bru ha ka district wo ya ka ni ka kjut iwa penma ye wo mi upendo ya ka ni ka kjut hau ni usnem. Ka Dr. Teriang dakhana ko le yay daw wa kam uchem smat ye ikjut yo o e sumar smat de wa banjor ye kam wo kre lang yong waro de khublai ko ye ki basikai ki khanna wa ki wakre ha ki thauri khanna wo man ki wa pten ukre wo pendu ye ka ni kjut wa ki wi de wa kam khnang yo poi chakathong. Ka Dr. L. Marbanyang Nodal Officer National Tuberculosis Elimination Program East Jaiñtia Hills reklam go hajrong kidak kichin we kamon wa kam wo smart ucha sumar. Hakani ka singi da samle ya ki khusnam chaki wakre hai chai ikhia ki wana West wa East Jaiñtia Hills ki wada kre hai wo pendo ya kani ka kjun. Ya inam best treatment supporter de yo da ka baita lapasam na barato PHC wa ka discipline pai chiang na sutanga CHC. Ya inam best lab technician de yo da Margaret Langdo na dauki PHC wa ka wanrika sutanga na Cleariat Civil Hospital. Ya inam best performing Aisha da yo da ka janitress lamarin na barato PHC ka Amalia Lakyang na Lomkrwyang UHC wa ka Kimiri Bare na Jalapet HWC sutanga CHC. Ya inam best MLHP da yo da ka Darihun Karjarin na barato PHC wa ka Sumarlin Lalu na Yongkolu HWC Pamra Paithlu PHC. Ka District Tuberculosis Center Juai da penman gole ya ka drawing competition hajrong ka phangani kasngi hewa ye nam job de yo da ka Sanli Charmang na Children's Home Girls Juai hewa ar de yo arngut kite ka sanwa ka chalam wa ka nangba nang jingi ki wana Children's Home Juai ka dwa ye nam wale wan de yo da resolve dhar na Chilyang Right SSA School Juai wa ka iba kordor hadia na Dulong SSA UP School. Ye nam best plakat de yo da kalom kurwiang yong pia UPS bot sa kapo musyang UPS school hewa ar katwa ye nam walewan de yo da kadulong SSA UP school. Dapat man le ya karali kam chibenta ka World TB Day wasdang na madan dulong Juai be da pengkut ha District Library mentong Juai hewa ki khanna dakso ki ki korben wa tho ye kentin hajrong ka kjut TB dai senran ki wasikai wa kiwi. Dapat benar le wa da khat kande dali ki chnong ha West wa East Jaiñtia Hill District ki wa da light na ka TB na mo ki TB free village nei benta usnem ar haja ar phaule ar phauso.
Came across a lot of TB cases still as of today. I won't say that we can eliminate TB by the year 2025, but let's hope with this spirit that we can eliminate TB by the end of this year, which is quite difficult. Let's just say it's impractical to say that, but I'm just hoping that we can end TB at least till the year 2025 or 26. TB stands, let's dive to what actually TB is. TB stands for tuberculosis, that is, it is a bacterial infection usually affecting the lungs that spread through the air when someone with active TB cough, sneeze or talks. Sometimes tuberculosis can also affect various areas apart from the lungs, that is like the abdomen, like the pleura, that is the outside lining of the lungs, then we have the brain, bones, etc. The only thing, a part of our body that it cannot affect, that is the hair and the nails. Now, tuberculosis is a contagious disease. That is, it spreads easily that is from human to human contact, especially through the aerosols, that is the air droplets. It is caused by a bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Like I said earlier, how it spreads through cough, sneeze, talk, or sing, releasing any tiny droplets containing the bacteria. Who is at risk exactly? The person with weakened immune system, such as those who are malnourished, who are affected with HIV, who are diabetic, are at a higher risk of developing TB. Now, TB can also be considered that having an infection doesn't spread the disease, but those who have the disease can spread the infection. Now, there's a difference between a disease and infection. Infection is you're just carrying the bacteria, but you cannot spread the disease. But those who have the disease can easily spread the bacteria to the others. So when we say that a person is infected with TB, we call them as a latent TB case. And those who are having the disease are called active TB cases. Now, TB, that is tuberculosis, is categorized in our term, in medical term, that is, one is we categorize them through treatment, that is DSTB, that is a drug-sensitive TB, as well as drug-resistant TB. Now, drug-sensitive TB are those TB that are those who can be cured easily within 6 months. But relapse can also occur, or recurrent can also occur, which may be due to not compliance to the medications. But some, they are also resistant to the medication. Now, when they are resistant to one of the medication that they receive during the DSTB stage, they are known as drug-resistant TB. Drug-resistant TB can be considered into three, that is MDR, XDR, pre-XDR also, they are also there. Now let's dive into more of the symptoms. Symptoms we will see as one, persistent cough that is for more than 2 weeks, fever, night sweats, loss of weight, and other symptoms like fatigue, chest pain, coughing up with blood. Now we all know that TB, tuberculosis, if not for some who doesn't know, tuberculosis is a curable and treatable disease. Government has been supplying medications for free to treat TB and to eliminate TB. Now, how do you prevent TB? Early diagnosis and treatment of active TB cases, that is carrying the disease, along with measures to prevent the spread of the disease, are crucial for controlling TB.